Okay, ladies, this is the summer assignment 2, doing a box plot and a comparison between the two. I've already entered some data, boys and girls. This is the data from the TI tips in the book. If you enter both sets of data, we'll just go to graph, histogram, box plot, box plot. Highlight both, the boys and the girls, and you can go ahead and hit compute, and there is your box plot. The thing to remember here is you have to identify both box plots. The only way to do that is to call one boys and to call one girls. It automatically did that for you. I personally don't like my box plots going vertically, so I will edit this and draw them horizontally. I like that. Really not much different, but just I like them going sideways. And if you put your mouse over one of the graphs, one of the box plots, you will see how many values there are, how many data points, or the n, the number of data points. The minimum, the Q1 median, Q3 maximum, and what the Q3 minus Q1 is, the IQR. You can do that for here, and do that for here. And you can get all the data that's requested from that, that I also ask you for. You could also go to Stat, Summary Stats, columns, boy and girls, and rather than pick particular ones, I'll just do everything. You can hit Compute, and you can see you have all the data here too. Mean, variance, standard deviation, standard error, we don't have to worry about, but median, range, minimum, maximum, Q1 and Q3 for boys and girls. It's the same data that you would get by just putting the mouse over the graph and handwriting it. Now remember, one other thing, options here. And we will end up doing this using fences to identify outliers. If you'll notice, this is a very long sort of whisker. These are called box and whisker plots. That's a very long whisker. Why is it so long? Well, because it's connecting to a data point that happens to be an outlier. This data point is so small, it's unusual compared to all the other stuff by some sort of criteria that's set in the book. We'll go over that. So this actually tells us, if you see in the little window that popped up there, number of outliers 1, and it shows us that as this little thing here. This is what I would want you to paste. So copy image, we'll go into Word. Remember, it's a Control-Alt-V. Don't exactly know what that's going to be in Mac, but it's got to be something similar. Hit OK, and there it is. That's a little big. That's still big, but you get the idea. If we go back, we can highlight all of this, copy, go back into Word, and paste, and all that data is there. And that is all you need to do for section 2, or assignment 2.